In this clip, we're going to talk about some fuel additives, which will help you out in the wintertime and avoid you being stuck or stranded when the temperatures drop off. What I have here as an example is called ISO Heat. Now the price tag over the E and the T a little bit, but that is the brand name. What this does is when you pour it in your fuel system, it will absorb the water, bond it with the gasoline in your tank, and allow it to be burned and purged from the system. Water is heavier than gas, so it'll sit in the bottom. And if you happen to have some liquid water in your fuel system and the temperature drops off, it will freeze. Once it's frozen, if you run your fuel system down to a pretty low level, it will actually plug the fuel pump and cause you to be stuck. It can actually even accumulate in the fuel filter, being that the filter has a porous fabric type material which will adhere to the water and plug up your fuel system. If you lose fuel, you lose the ability to drive. Every winter, just to start off, say in late November, go and get a bottle of this stuff. Like I said earlier, what it does is it bonds with any kind of liquid water in your fuel system and will allow the vehicle to burn it and have it pumped out the exhaust. They have several different types. Don't be fooled by fuel injection cleaner or system cleaner. Those all have what they call petroleum distillates. And what they're designed to do is dissolve gum. Make sure you find something that's specifically designed as an antifreeze and a water remover for your fuel system. What you do is pretty much buy a bottle of it, head to your gas station, fill the tank up, and dump this on top of it. They will have a rating on the back for how many gallons that this will treat. Normally, one bottle will treat up to 20 gallons. As you can see here, it says will treat up to 20 gallons.